My dad was a diesel mechanic and he did stock cars. So I was always with him when he was getting his hands dirty, and I was getting my hands dirty right alongside. But I never really thought I would end up doing that for a career. I always did cooking and cleaning and babysitting. But once I started working here, I feel like I really found my knack for it. I feel like my biggest work accomplishment would be seeing how far I've come from when I first started. We provide parts for airplanes, rescue vehicles, agricultural equipment. The products that we provide to our customers really makes a difference because we provide dependable parts to people who depend on us. So on a normal day, I would come into work. I would look over the schedule for jobs that we need to run for the week. I would get out the blueprints and production tags, get everything in order, hand them off to our setup guy. He would start finding the component pieces, setting it up. When I first started working here, I had no background in anything like this, didn't even know what a hydraulic phoenix was. But being a mom of 6, that kind of prepares you for anything. First month I was here, they put me on rework, sorting through parts. Within 6 months of being hired within the company, they ended up bumping me up to lead person of the assembly department. I feel like when I tell people that I work at Cleveland Hardware and Forging and that I'm an assembly supervisor, they kind of look at me like, how did that happen? That's not a typical job for a female. But then once they get to know me, they see that that is definitely the best fit.